Understanding. Spell trouble for Unraveling Idiomatic English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. We'll explore the phrase, spell trouble for, a common expression that adds color to our conversations. Whether you're a beginner or advancing in English, understanding such phrases can enhance your fluency and cultural understanding. Let's get started. Spell trouble for is an idiomatic expression. At first glance, it might seem like it's about spelling or magic, but it's not. When we say something spells trouble for someone or something, we mean it is likely to cause problems or difficulties. The word spell here is used in the sense of signifying or indicating, not in the context of writing words correctly. Let's see how this phrase is used in sentences. The new regulations spell trouble for small businesses. This means the new rules are likely to cause problems for these businesses. Dark clouds spell trouble for our picnic plans. Here, it implies that bad weather might ruin the plans. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to various situations, indicating potential negative outcomes. Understanding synonyms can help broaden your vocabulary. Some similar expressions are bode ill for, be a bad sign for, herald difficulties for. Each of these can be used interchangeably with spell trouble for, depending on the context. A common mistake is using the phrase literally, as in spelling. Remember, it's metaphorical. Also, avoid confusing it with positive meanings. It almost always indicates potential negative consequences. Spell trouble for is a vivid expression that adds depth to your English. It's about foreseeing challenges or problems. I hope this exploration helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.